Napakabilis ng panahon, no? At magpasalamat tayo at muli nagkasama-sama to celebrate the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ.
This is the time to celebrate yung pinaghirapan natin for this year. So, let's enjoy the night. Again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone.
Good morning, everyone. To my dear Eternal Gardens family, thank you for being with us here tonight. Tonight carries a special weight as we move closer to the company's 50th anniversary. 50 years reflect more than time. 50 years reflect service, compassion, and the steady commitment of the people who stood with this institution through every season.
Thank you for being the backbone and heart of success of our company, my dear employees. Kayong lahat nagmamalasakit, nagmamahal sa kumpanya, gumagawa ng tamang trabaho. Kaya tayo nandito lahat para i-celebrate ang Christmas. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Eternal lights. And again, Merry Christmas.
What started as a single memorial park in Baisa has now grown into 30 memorial parks.
Other branches, kaya din po ninyong manalo nito. No? Gawin nyo lang po yung inyong best sa inyong trabaho. Lahat may malasakit, may dedication, and siyempre, hard work. Hello
guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Mag-enjoy kayo sa party nyo. At don't worry about me. Gusto ko nag-enjoy kayo, ha? Of course, as always, galing pa sa ating founder, type of the Sunshine. I love you guys. Enjoy your party.
Thank you, boss. Maraming salamat po, everyone. Let's say, we love you, boss!
Love you all.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and we are eternally grateful to all of you. Merry Christmas to us all!